Hi, this is Jim Stykemain Chevrolet GMC here in Sturgis, Michigan. Today I have a 2023 Chrysler Pacifica Touring L handicapped wheelchair accessible van with ramp in Fathom Blue Pearlcoat. The vehicle's exterior is the Fathom Blue, while the interior is black leather. This vehicle has 5,826 miles on it. Fuel economy is 19 miles per gallon in the city, 28 miles per gallon highway. It is an automatic transmission. Inside we have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, USB adapters, heated seats, keyless start. It is a recent trade-in. There is a power rear liftgate, park assist. There's third row seats. The third row has a split bench. Audio includes 6 speakers. There's air conditioning, AM FM radio with SiriusXM available, automatic temperature control, brake assist, delay headlight off headlights, disassociated touchscreen display, vanity mirror on the driver's side, driver's seat mounted armrest, dual front impact airbags, electronic stability control, 4-wheel independent suspension, front anti-roll bar, front dual air zone AC, heated steering wheel, integrated active noise cancellation, integrated center stack radio, memory seats, occupant sensing airbag, and outside temperature display. There is ParkView Rear Back-Up with Camera, power driver seat, power steering, power windows. Also, you will find that there is telescoping steering wheel, tilt steering wheel, touring suspension, and traction control. You can see that there is a very spacious interior with this being handicap accessible. You have room in the back for 3, as well as a driver and front passenger. Both of the outside doors open with the key fob to show you the back spacious area, and that is a 60-40 split. So if you'd like to, you can place the rear seat down to be level for more storage. The opposite side can also be controlled by the key fob to open and close the doors automatically. On the interior, you will find that there is a switch for up and down for the ramp, but there is also a switch that is located on the key fob so that you can control the ramp outside of the vehicle. Easily goes to the ground. There's a sticker asking for space so that the ramp can be assessed. Here you will see the 3.6 liter engine. If you have any additional questions, please contact Jim Stykemain Chevrolet in Sturgis, Michigan. The phone number is 269-651-9300.